Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb, back at you with another video. This time it's me turning over the compost pile. Normally I do it every 3 to 6 months unless I'm getting really lazy, and then I leave it basically every 6 months, which is kind of what I did this year. I ended up getting busy with everything else, and so I left it for quite a while. This is another one of the videos on the hard drive from the lost days that I brought back, working through it, showing the kind of garden cleaning up process that you can kind of see already happen behind me. I hope you enjoy the video of me turning over the compost. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and watch lots of shoveling really quickly. Just want to take a second to show you the layers. I don't know how well you could see it from a distance, but it was... So it all starting to look more earthy, and this is from further down where the wood chips and the green matter have broken down more. But all that green stuff, the leaves, they're now on the bottom. And then this was the stuff that was a little bit further, and like you see, it really has already broken down. And most of this was grass clippings and newspaper. And on top, or on the very bottom, there's some of the pepper plants. That'll break down the rest of the winter, or I'll give it the chance to. I'll cover it up here so it's a little protected. I'll water it down before. But yeah, and now that we're starting to get to the bottom of here, you can start to see the more composted stuff as well. It's not fully there, but it's pretty good. So I always turn over. So in spring, this will be ready to go onto the vegetable beds. This will be turned over to there, and whatever is already pretty well composted I can take out and leave the rest over there. And I make room here so we have room to dump our compost from the house and everything. So that's just should have showed you some earlier, but that's just a short little overview of what it looks like along the way. So back to it. So there you have it. The freshly cleaned out one from new green stuff. The brown will mostly be the litter from the chickens. Then you have the middle. It's sat there for half a year, a little more. And this is the bottom of it. I can see there's a difference because there's much more wood. I think I didn't do as good of a job of turning it over. There's quite a bit of wood chippy, and it gives it this different kind of structure here when it's broken down than when it's over here with just the grass. It seems like maybe it's just the newspaper breaks down quicker, and that's what the difference really is. But yeah, so this is pretty much ready to go, but since it's winter time, I'm just going to let it sit here and compost some further and put it in spring. A lot of this will be ready to go in spring, and then whatever new stuff, because I'm about to clean up the garden. And so yeah, that's also on the bottom of this one are the green beans with way too many beans that were left and got starchy. Yeah, so here we are, and that's the 3 cases. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support and everything you guys do for the channel. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with the rest of the garden cleaning up video. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.